Know what's in there? Know who's hiding? Let's see who's hiding under the blanket. There's a tail. Oh, look at her little sour face. She's so angry. Wanna say hi? You're a good mother. You're a good little mommy with your little babies. You ruined the party, chat. Oh, little kitty. Want to join? I'll leave you back. I'll put you back. Hey, look, cute. Don't know who's under there. Chat, I'm a finger. Chat, the tail's right there. Go after your wife. Who's in there? Tiffany's in there. I can feel your presence. I feel you. Say hi. You love that? You love that? Your sad little face. What's in there? Know who's in there? Your wife. Actually, because without chat, she won't have any babies. Now you know. Been away from your wife so long. Been years. You couldn't find her. She's been right there. So she's the cookie master. She's been stealing every day. If I was Santa Claus. Your tie here. I will be back. Let me turn on my flashlight. This is for subscribers. Mac Pro. Peace. Do you like the light? Do you like it? I don't think she likes the light. Let's do it one more time. Can you see her? Oh, who's in there? You can see a little bit. I can see your eyes. I can see your face. You can see a little of her whiskers. You can see her mouth. Leave me a piece. And oh, watch this. This is what I experienced. Hey, chat. Doing this at nighttime game chat. He hates it. I was getting like, meow. He's the light was getting closer and closer. There it is, the little monster. I think he doesn't like it. Of course he doesn't like it. Puppy. Are you still digging for diamonds to be rich? You're trying to hide your little face? Are you still digging for diamonds all these years? You're still doing it, are you? They love you. They love you. Go back where you belong. And chat is so lazy, just leave her here. We can see your tail. So fluffy. There's your little tail. Yeah, you're so cute. Like that. Okay, watch this. Look at her. Look at her little paws. I'm just... She doesn't like you. Let her at peace. Feels so warm. You're so cute. Look at her little smash face to her body. Looks like another cat in there. And her other body's at the other side. Do you want to hide your face? You're hiding your face. I didn't even touch your little paws. Ooh, ow! I'm just joking. She didn't do anything. Look at her. She's over there hiding her face. I'll leave you back where she belongs. Where you belong. Yes. He's actually deaf. You can't hear. You're gonna love this. You love the way I do this. Love that? Say hi. Say Mia for hi. You could hear him purring. Pretty much they never stop purring. Why? I didn't feel comfy. Don't make him angry. Remember last time he hit your face? You got him angry? I will never do that to you again. Put you with her. With that nightmare. You finally came out of the hiding. You give up looking for diamonds all these years. Just hide for him. Look at those smash your face. You're up, smash your face. Just slam a door on a cat's face. Turns into a flat face. So cute. Oh, she's going back in. She's getting so scared. Is this your new home? Is it a new home? I believe so. Oh my god, this is a new home. Are you purring? Yes, Dad, are you? Just sleep. And her little piggy tail. She doesn't ever have a tail because she has a piggy tail. Look, a piggy tail. How weird is that? Chat, you really need to stop playing on the couch all these years. You disgust me. You just love going in my blanket, do you? That would be it for the video. I'm just making a 8-minute video and 39 seconds starts now. And this is all for Mac Pro. And next time, I will make a little kitty video. Okay, but subscribe, please. Send me a like if you want to do a vote. Do you want me to put on space program on the next video? Send me a like or one more cat video or dog. You can choose both. I'll do it. If you want, send a like, vote. If you want me to do a Kerbal space program, let's do a spaceship. We can get to the moon. Ooh. So that'd be all. So okay. Bye. For Mac.